Hey guys, this is Maria from tvsocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to search for hashtags on TikTok. TikTok users are able to view videos tagged with the hashtag they're searching for. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Log into your TikTok account and press on the Discover tab on the main toolbar. Now enter the certain phrase into the search bar at the top of the screen and tap Search in the upper right corner. Then hit the Hashtags tab that is above the search bar. Find your written phrase in the results list and click on it. Now you can scroll down and see videos that have the hashtag you are searching for. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to search for hashtags on TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at tvsocial.com.